In the vast expanse of the open sea, two sailboats, the Serenity and the Adventure, were sailing blissfully under the summer sun. Unbeknownst to them, their courses were converging, leading them towards an imminent collision. Captain John, of Serenity, and Emily, of Adventure, both enjoying their day, were oblivious to the impending danger. As the distance between the two boats dwindled, Captain John's eyes widened in alarm. A shout, hard to starboard, echoed across the sea. Emily, hearing the warning, mirrored the action on her boat. In a heart-stopping moment, the two boats narrowly missed each other, their hulls scraping in a screeching symphony of wood on wood. Shaken yet relieved, both captains assessed the damage. A near-miss collision that underscored the importance of vigilance and quick thinking at sea. As they continued on their separate paths, they were a little wiser, a lot more cautious, and had a tale to recount for years to come. Take